Prepare for safety. The importance of personal protective equipment, PPE. In any workplace, safety should be a top priority. Whether you're doing an audit at a construction site, manufacturing facility, or any other high-risk environment, having the right personal protective equipment is essential for protecting yourself. This energy audit tip lesson will explore the critical components of PPE, their importance, and how to ensure you are always prepared for safety. What is personal protective equipment? PPE refers to specialized clothing or equipment worn by individuals to protect themselves from hazards that can cause injury or illness. This equipment is designed to minimize exposure to various risks, including physical, chemical, biological, and radiological hazards. Key components of PPE. 1. Safety glasses. 2. Earplugs. 3. High visibility vest. 4. Steel toe shoes. 5. Hard hats. Why having PPE on hand is essential. 1. Reduces the risk of injury. By wearing the appropriate gear, workers can protect themselves from potential dangers that could lead to accidents. 2. Compliance with regulations. Many industries are governed by strict safety regulations that require the use of PPE. 3. Promotes a safety culture. Having PPE readily available fosters a culture of safety at the job site. 4. Enhances your productivity when conducting the audit. When you feel safe, you are more likely to focus on your tasks without the distraction of potential hazards. Tips for ensuring you are prepared for safety. 1. Regularly inspect your PPE. 2. Be informed about hazards at the job site. 3. Make it a habit to check your equipment for wear and tear regularly. Replace any damaged items immediately. Conclusion. Preparing for safety is not just about compliance, it's about creating a secure work environment where everyone, including you, can perform tasks without fear of injury. By always having personal protective equipment on hand, such as safety glasses, earplugs, high visibility vests, safety helmets, and steel toe shoes, you not only protect yourself but also contribute to a culture of safety that benefits everyone at the job site.